Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time span you're watching this on. Really appreciate you tuning in. Welcome back to MG Sports TV. Certainly, it is good to have you back here for the 10 minutes, 11 minutes, even 8 or 6 minutes, whichever time span you're here to see this video. So, Reece Nelson is back in Jamaica. For those who don't know, this is actually not his first time here. But also, he's accompanied with a friend in Joe Willock. What does that mean? We're going to get into that. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. As I said, really appreciate you guys joining. And there's two things, well, not two, there's certain things you can do to help us grow this channel and help us to continue to make good content for you guys. One, that is certainly by you hitting that like button. 2, hitting the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. 3, share the content. Don't be selfish with the content. You know that other people out there that like to watch what I go on and see what I go on. So don't be selfish. And is it 4, buy us a coffee. If you feel the need to, if you can afford it. It's also one way in helping us to continue to generate this content for you guys. So certainly, link is in the description for that, also in the comment section. Thank you very much again for tuning in. So as you guys see over all the social media space, Reece Nelson is in Jamaica, a Arsenal footballer. Also a player that we have confirmed that the JFF is certainly, most certainly, trying to acquire to come and play for the national team. Now, I do understand the reason for the Reggae Boyz supporters to be get into a fit. You know, I get a seizure. Yo, in there, man, in there, you know, especially this time around, which is quite close to the Copa America and also the World Cup qualifiers. Now, the big parties, you know that he could have came to Jamaica and just kept under the law. If him come for holiday, if he come for play, could I keep on the low, you know, and do him a do. But guess what? No, he opted to take a picture, tag and post the Jamaica thing, like no little pin, like a Jamaica pin thing. Yeah. Anyways, because he's definitely sending out a message either to the Jamaica people or back at home in England, telling them that hey, I'm on holiday and I'm having a good time, or to also to ignite the feeling of hope in the Reggae Boyz supporters' guts. That hope feeling, you know, the feeling that you feel as it blows on skirt. It look like it's gonna happen. Yeah. So these are the situation. No, but the thing is, for those who don't know, Joe Willock and Reece Nelson are quite good friends, and both of them came here. Both of them are actually in Jamaica at this present moment. I don't remember the hotel that they are staying. Me no really want. Well, let me see me find. Just give me a second, people. You know what? Me not go say the hotel name. Because you know, you got people who are look out for it. You know, I got people who are look out for them, you know, and stuff. So, yeah, so apparently him play look of, you know, but at the end of the day, but what happened is that it seems that both of them are on different business. It is quite clear that Joe Willock is here on holiday because he's actually at a different location than Reece Nelson. So maybe because both of them are good friends. I know them practically travel together. But maybe, as stated, there could be some hope or some light down the tunnel. Just maybe. And I'm speaking from an uninformed perspective. Me don't know nothing. Me don't have a clue what I go on. Me don't know what Reece Nelson up to. So me not go pretend like me know what I go on. But coincidentally, or fortunately, he came in the optimum time period when the Reggae Boyz squad is being assembled. And there's quite a few of the Reggae Boyz already in Jamaica. For those who don't know, some don't post it on their social. Some don't post it on their social. I've gotten pictures of them. I've gotten pictures of even potential reggae boy in Jamaica already. But the thing is, because as I said, I'm speaking from an uninformed perspective, I can't say he's here for that reason. I would love for him to be here for that reason, but I'm quite unsure. Just like Reece Nelson, I'm very, very unsure is the reason why it's here. But one thing I do know is that that tingling hope, that tingling feeling of hope, it has definitely taken the social media space, whereas everyone is most definitely talking about the just being optimistic or the opportunity of seeing this player in the national team. Why? Because he's a really, really good player. Now, I do believe now that when you see these high-profile players coming into the national setup, that definitely sends a signal to players who were, if I'm but a panda around, said, hey, something serious is happening here. And because something serious is happening here, you should get on board as well. So that is optimally the message that I send. I think that's definitely the message that is being sent. And all those who believe that, hey, you know what, really don't need to be a part of that, would actually have a wavering mind or kind of say, you know what, because of the quality that is there, just imagine my quality being added. And for me personally, we need all the quality, as much quality as possible to be included. As much quality as possible to be included. One thing for sure, you can see that Al Grimson has been on the down low for a long time now. We haven't seen much, we haven't heard much from Al Grimson. We can just assume that he's doing some extraordinary work in the background and where we see these players coming in. But one thing for sure, if Reece Nelson is, since Reece Nelson is in Jamaica now, why not? JFF, why not? If you haven't really bring forward a plan as yet, why not do it now? Just go visit the hotel. Just go visit the hotel. If you want to know the hotel, maybe you can link me one away, you know. Just go visit the hotel where I stay and go sell him the project. Face to face. Go sell him the project and say, you know what? I know that you have been considering. I know that we have contacted you via phone and such, but we're here face to face now. Let's get a better understanding of where it's at. Let's understand what is needed, what we need to do to get you on board. And this is the plan that we have moving forward from here. So, in my view, now is the time. Why not now? Why not now? And if you make the approach and things are on the green side, I think we are on the right side of things, where the World Cup qualifiers and also the Copa is concerned. The more quality, the better, in my view. Nobody can dispute that. So, Reece Nelson, we definitely welcome you on board. Well, let's hear your decision first. It's all up to you. If it's a no, no problem at all. That's fine by us. We have been rejected on many occasions, and we have to accept it. That's how it is. But it's a yes, we'll take it. Anyways, people, interesting to see, interesting time ahead. That's the reason why the squad is so highly anticipated. Very, very interesting. Let's see how that one matriculates, and we'll see where we go from here. Big up on yourself, people. MG Sports TV. Like, share, subscribe, and also buy us a coffee if you can. Link in description and also in the comment section. I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. We're out. Potential reggae boy Reece Nelson. Not bad. Not a bad sound. God bless, people. God bless. See you guys again.